Buddy, my name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. So we broke down Dogecoin yesterday, so we're going to be doing an update today. I already told you guys that we would be pulling back and to look for a better entry, and as you can see that we've been pulling back ever since yesterday, you guys. I'm sorry if I sound a little funny. I'm actually a little bit sick as of right now, so just bear with me. But before, we only were able to use the 1 hour interval because we didn't have too much information to use as prior to use for our analysis. But if we go to the daily, we can clearly see that we're going to be pulling back to the 26-cent area or the 27-cent area, and I'll explain to you how I know this. We'll go back to the 1 hour chart, and we can see that before we broke out into this channel, we were clearly only in this channel, and what this used to represent, let me just get rid of this line so it's not too confusing for you guys. I want you guys to focus just on this channel. So up here was our major resistance line, and we can test this by looking over here. We can see that we came up and are getting rejected in this area. We can see before we were getting rejected. So we have basically a double top in this area. We have another top here where we pulled up, got rejected, pulled up again, ultimately broke through there, and then started that trend over here. We look back over here where we came up and hit this major resistance and pulled back down to our major support line. And if we look on the opposite side, you guys, so one side that works resistance, once we break past that and come down, it works as a floor, and that becomes our new support level. And you can see that when we came down here, bounced off this level, came back up, and ultimately broke through there. We have one candlestick here. When we broke out, we sat on the support level and gapped up. This is almost in the same vicinity. I don't want to count that one because it's not directly on our line. And then down here is our major support line. We look left like Beyonce says, you guys. We can see that we come down and bounce off this level multiple times, or candlesticks either react or change areas or change reversals here in those areas. So we can see that we came up and are starting to pull back. So what is the next area for this to pull back down to? And like I said, it's going to be back down to this major support level if we do not continue to try to break out through this 33-cent area. Usually when you have a double retest and a pullback, it's usually a failure. So usually it'll pull back down to the next major level of support, and that'll be back down here at the 26 cents, guys. Currently we're at 31 cents and down 1%. I make these videos so that way you guys can clearly see exactly what I see using technical analysis and fundamentals sometimes. But other than that, like I said, you guys, don't have FOMO, don't have the fear of missing out. There's always better opportunities when you actually sit and actually see what you're looking at. I apologize for that. So basically what I'm saying, you guys, is just wait for this better entry, wait for us to pull back into this level, and then you know, either get in and have your stop loss already set, or have a mental stop loss already set. So if we do break below this 26-cent level, I would actually have it, maybe your stop loss at the 25-cent level. So if things do go sour, you will be able to get out and look for a better entry beyond our major support line. Do I believe that'll happen? Probably not. I think we'll continue this trend, or we'll bounce at least off of this level and back into our previous resistance level. So if we do get back down at this 26 cent, your first target should be back up here at this minor resistance at the 30 cents, and then your second target being back all the way up here at the 33-cent level. And then if we do get back to this area, you guys, we would obviously wait for this breakout to come up and come back down and retest our floor. So that goes forward with if we do pull back up into this 33-cent area, let's just wait and further confirm that we can break past this heavy area. So we would want this to come up and come back down and retest on our support, and that would be another great entry. So you guys have two options to either get in. You can if we do come back up here, like I said, you can wait for us to pull back onto our support, or you can currently wait for us to pull back down to our major support level. It doesn't make any sense to get in right now because you're not really missing anything. We're just trying to find a level to bounce off of or create a reversal in. So as of right now, we're in a downtrend, but that doesn't mean that we won't reverse when we come back down here, or if we do pull back up in here and break in this level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this this video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. If there's any stocks that you want me to break down, put them in the comment box below. I'm sorry I'm a little off today. I'm just, like I said, I am sick and I'm not feeling the greatest. So Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.